All right, the trade I'm going to highlight from our trading chat room today is CREE, C-R-E-E. Now this is a daily chart. Big gap down here. Sold off for a few more days, then a small bounce, and then another 3 days down. To be honest, we didn't even have this on Bounce Watch, but this is the cool thing about the chat room. One of our members spotted this today as the setup was unfolding. I'll go to 5s now. And this is what it looked like when one of our members found it. And private messaged me, and I shared it with the room because I liked it. CREE. Get my drawing tool going here. There's its early high a couple days ago, early high yesterday, and then early high today. Just to kind of draw your attention. Let me actually switch to, well, what I liked is this nice tight base with the high of day to the left, and you look to the left for the last couple days, and it really didn't have any kind of resistance. You had just this opening spike and opening spike. So it definitely had room for a bounce, and I already showed you the daily. And this is what it looked like on 15s as well. So you already had 3 solid days down there, and then a nice, really a nice tight base here. So don't like calling things on a high of day break, but in the case of CREE, we did 51.16. Worst case stop 50.89. So what is that? 27 cents worst case, but it didn't really matter because once it hit, we actually got filled at 51.15 and 51.14 because when it got up there, it gave us a second before it broke the high of the day, so we kind of grabbed it and really look at that. Within 5 minutes up in the 51.40s, and within 10 minutes all the way to 51.60. And as we teach, we start scaling out in parts when we get a move like that, so then you have immediately 5 or 10 minutes, money in your pocket, and a can't lose trade. And actually sold some right at $1 per share gain over where we bought it. So anyway, a very nice, powerful setup, a stock that's due for a bounce anyway. And then you get that tight base with the high of day to the left and room to run. So anyway, great alert by Tim actually in our chat room. Private messaged me and I shared it with the room, and a real nice trade today in CREE. So I'm not going to babble too much. I'll just leave it at that. Again, I'll try to send out a free pick sometime this week as soon as I find a chart I really like. So all right, have a good night. We'll talk to you later.